In this video I show you how to fix dev error 5820 in MW3 and Warzone. For this you need to consider these steps. Check server status before trying any troubleshooting steps. Ensure there is not any ongoing server issues. Check activation's official support page for updates. Number 2. Restart your game and console. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. Number 3. Verify game files, Steam only. If you are on Steam, verify the integrity of your game files to ensure all necessary data is present. Number 4. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphic drivers can cause compatibility issues. Update your drivers to the latest version. Number 5. Adjust graphic settings. Experiment with lowering your graphic settings, especially those related to textures and details. Number 6. Change calling cards or emblem. A strange workaround, but some players have reported success by changing their calling card or emblem. Number 7. Private match workaround. If you are encountering the error in private matches, try switching hosts, brute forcing the private match, repeatedly trying to start one, adjusting private match settings, reduce bots, don't change map timer, switch map/more. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.